Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild primate known for its intelligence and strength, generally not human-friendly in the wild. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as gorilla, gorilla, la, gorilla. Gorillas are known for their complex social structures, typically living in groups led by a dominant male, known as a silverback, and their gentle nature despite their powerful build. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about gorillas, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.